So we're down here in Plumstead in southeast London. This is another project we're starting tomorrow morning. So what we're going to be doing on this project is removing all of the Pebbledash from all the brickwork on the front of the property. Once we remove all of the Pebbledash, we'll clean all of the brickwork, cut out and replace all of the damaged bricks with matching London stock bricks, repoint all of the brickwork in natural lime mortar. I'm going to show the customer some different samples, work out what style he'd like to go for best. I'm going to be doing some stone restoration here. I'll get back to that in a minute. Up on the top elevation on this parapet wall, what we're going to be doing is taking all of this off and hopefully replicating this King's Head brick style all the way through. But until we take this off, it's all completely blown anyway, so we'll see what we got to work with under there. If not, maybe we'll go for a new cornice band going all the way across. Customer's quite undecided what he wants to go for yet, but once we get it all off, give him some options and some ideas to work with. On the stonework, I'm going to be decorating all of the stonework. As you can see, it's very badly blistered and crumbling away, so this will have to come off. Can't paint over anything like that, so strip all of the paint off. Then we're replicating some window surrounds on the windows. They've been taken off over time, so the lads will restore new window surrounds around the edges of the windows. I'll show you some bits what they're going to look like in a minute. Restore the window sills, get all them looking perfect and square. Some restoration above the front door on the molded work there, so that'll all be restored, looking razor sharp and lovely and clean, ready for decoration. Doing a new plinth on the base of the property as well. So downstairs, take this old plinth off, restore that, get some nice new period air vents, get all of this paint off all of the stonework around the front door, square up the window sills there, new window surrounds around this window here. So I'll show you what window surrounds we're going to be going for the original look, which will be this mould here. So we'll be replicating the window surrounds on both windows so it matches the original features like this, and then obviously decorate all of the stonework once it's all been restored. So lads are starting tomorrow morning. Customers really excited to be getting the project underway, and we'll show you some progress early next week, see how the lads are getting on, and show you some styles of pointing that the customers decided to go with. So if you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we're more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.